We're here to talk about the Reed Plastic Pipe Solutions Kit. This particular one we call the AquaRise Kit, but it's also designed specifically for AquaRise or any kind of PVC, CPVC pipe. Two things are important if you're putting together PVC pipe or any kind of plastic pipe. One is you need a square, clean cut. The pipe is actually larger than the pipe that's in the fitting. It's tapered, it gets tighter and tighter. If you put a square cut on the end of the pipe, you can stuff the pipe into the fitting, but it'll only go about a third of the way in. When you put your solvent cement, which is not glue, it's solvent cement, it's melting the pipe together. If you do that and push it in, you're going to scrape all the solvent cement off that you need to make a proper weld. So, first things first, you need a square cut. We have a TC2 PVC cutter with a special wheel in it, very, very thin profile, so it doesn't create a big lip on the edge of your pipe. Reed, because of the way the drive wheels are set, will run backwards. So if you're a right-handed person, you can grab your cutter, hang on to this, and run it backwards. It's only about maybe 2 turns to give you a perfect square, clean cut. Next thing you need to do for proper solvent cement assembly is you need to put a bevel on the outside of the pipe. It's a 15-degree bevel, and it's there so that you're not plowing off the solvent cement. This is a Reed DEB4. The Reed DEB4 will do half, 3/4, and 1-inch pipe, and it will shave off a perfect 15-degree bevel. If you take the pipe, solvent cement, take the pipe and put it in, do your quarter turn, now you'll see that the pipe sits almost at the bottom of the fitting. So you're getting full, proper stab depth and proper distribution of the solvent cement, so you've got a fitting that will, well, it's stronger than the rest of the pipe if you're properly square cut and bevel it. We have 2-inch PVC cutter, quick release, that'll cut up to 2-inch pipe, and then a 4-inch which will cut down to 2-inch pipe. So all the diameters that you're going to need for your BlazeMaster installations. And then 2 different beveling tools. So we showed you the DEB4, which does half, 3/4, and 1-inch pipe. This is the DEB4. It's also included in the kit. The DEB4 will do 1.25" all the way to 4-inch pipe. Same kind of scenario. I've got a bad shoulder. This is a very common thing that you see, and it is absolutely unacceptable for a fitting. Again, same kind of scenario. Most people want to crank this in. You don't want to crank it in. You just want to gently pin it up so that it'll hold the cutter. Hold your pipe, grab your drive handle, and then just run it backwards. I'll do it in slow-mo. If you go each turn around, it's going to cause you to go 1 turn in. So it's only about 2.5 turns to give you a perfect square cut, which is quicker than anything else you're going to use. Anything with teeth on it, sawzall, hacksaw, chop saw, is going to load the interior with kerf waste. It's statically charged, so it'll stick on the inside of that pipe, and it's going to go into your valves. These are pressurized systems generally, so if you fill that full of water, you can't have the joints failing and you can't have kerf waste in. So if you're using our cutter, there's no kerf waste, you're getting a perfectly square cut. DEB4 will do 1.25" all the way up to 4-inch. The snaps on the pipe, same scenario, gives you 15-degree chamfer in 1 revolution. But the bevel then, properly chamfered, get full proper stab depth, full proper solvent cement distribution. So that is the Reed Solutions Kit for PVC, CPVC, and in particular we're talking about BlazeMaster or fire suppression CPVC pipe.